Hi, my pupils. This video is for preparatory stages. The basic course in this vacation. I will start this course by explaining how to write a sentence, how to make a paragraph, how the kind of questions. Because I would like to go to the new syllabus, which is Cambridge, but by the basis of English with you, okay? But before I will go to explain our lesson today, I would like to say something. Don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. This video for first, second preparatory stages. All the preparatory stages can follow me in this video to know what I will explain here in this video. Here we have in this course, we have many items here. In this course, we learn how to make a sentence in different sentence, how to make a question in different ways, yes, no, and WH. We know here how to answer the conversation, how to understand the comprehension and answer the questions, how to write a paragraph and email, and we have a grammar structure with tenses. Okay, let's go to our lesson today, or the first lesson today on this video. In this video, we learn together how to make a sample sentence. Okay, as we know, preparatory pupils, that we must know, because your books is beyond the words. Your books that we learned during the academic year is beyond the words. Why? Because we must know the meaning of the word that is with you. We can know the word from the context in the simple way. So we have a sentence, and we must know this the meaning of the sentence in this context. What this sentence mean? Okay. So what we want from you in this part, to know, to read more and more. Okay. To understand, to know more, to enrich your vocab, to enrich your ideas, to read by what? By reading, by listening, by. We have here BBC broadcaster is full of different vocab that we can know it and can enrich your language with it. Okay, so language improved by what? By reading, by listening. Writing is also important, but reading and listening is more important than writing and reading. Okay, than writing and reading. Okay, to know the pronunciation of the word. Okay, in this unit, in this lesson, we talk about the simple sentence. As we know, in the primary stage, that when we make a rearrange, I write the rule, which is subject, verb, object. So the sentence consists of what? Or the simple sentence consists of what? Subject, verb, object. So you must know this rule, okay? To know how to write the sentence, because this is important for us in making sentence and in writing also the paragraph. Okay, Muhammad watches TV. So here Muhammad here is singular or plural? Singular. So I add here es. Why I add es to the verb? Because Muhammad is singular. Basant is a doctor. So here is verb to be refers to the singular noun. Boys are playing football. Now here the subject is plural. So I write, I put are, verb to be are plus the verb ing form. This is called the present continuous tense, and we explaining later in this course. The cat eats the fish. So here cat here is singular. So I put it's here. So let's go to know more about to another item here. Here is called the subject pronoun. I, he, she, it, we, you, they. So I think we are in preparatory. So this is not difficult to know the subject pronoun. I think you are in preparatory and know the subject pronouns. Not, I think you can't know it. Okay, I think you know it. Okay. Here we say I, he, she, it, we, you, they. This called what? Called what? I will write it here for you. Subject pronoun. This is called subject pronoun. Okay. After I finish the lesson, I will leave you the link of the booklet below the video to answer the questions and send it to me to see you. If you have any difficult questions, write it to me below the video. Okay. I will leave the video open with you to contact with you and know the questions that we don't know, okay, and correct it for you. Here we say, I am a doctor. She's a nurse. They are children. Here we say main verb. We have here in the we have different kinds of verbs. We have main verb. We have helping verb or auxiliary verb. We have modal verb. Okay, so the verbs consist of what? Repeat after me. Main verb. Main verb means the verb that is the base of the sentence. Okay, this is called the main verb. Helping verb means when we put a verb helping to this verb. Modal verb is like what? Like will, shall, and so on. Okay, like say here this are here is helping verb boy, because the boys here I use the present continuous tense, and we have a helping verb are playing. Main verb like this. I am a doctor. So here is the main verb. We modal verb it will be like what? Like will, shall, can, and so on. This called many this called modal verb, and we have modal verb other modal verbs we will explain later. Okay. Let's continue the rest of the lesson. Now I give you a bit about this lesson. Next class I will continue, because I don't want to give you a lot to because I know that we are starting the vacation, the summer vacation, and you can't want more and more. Okay, you say, Miss Iman, we studied hard during the academic year. The summer vacation for relaxing, yes, for relaxing, but you make your mind to be ready for the next year. You make your mind to be ready for the next year. Let's continue the rest of the lesson today. Here is the main verb. The main verb here like this. We say play, played. Play here, played. This is the played in the past, but participle it will be played, and in the present continuous it will be played. Here is write, wrote, and written. Writing, cut, cut, and cutting. Let's continue the rest of the of this item. We watch TV. They played. Here the played what in any tense here in the past simple tense. Has written in the present perfect tense, and we explain it later. Is watching is in continuous tense. Sorry, is watching, and this is in we will explain later. Here is the helping verb. Let's go know what is the helping verb. Verb to be. Am is are, was were in the past. Am is are in the present. Am is are in the past. We have was were. Do and does in the present. Did in the past. Has and have and has in the present, and had in the past. Let's read these examples to know more about this item. They are reading English. He had watched TV. She was eating lunch. Where do you live? What have you done? Let's go to know the modal verbs. This is the modal verbs. I give you some of them, and here these called modal verbs. Could be will, would, can, could, shall, should, may, might, have to, and has to, had to, must, had to. Here we say let's learn this. Let's learn these examples. Let's read it and learn from it. We will travel abroad. So here I use the modal verb. And as we know during the academic year, and our teachers explained to you that the modal must be followed by what? By the infinitive form. We can't say will travel. If we say will travel, it's wrong. Why wrong, Miss Iman? You say here our traveling wrong, because will must be followed by what? By the infinitive form. Don't do this mistake, because it's a big mistake. It's a big mistake, okay? It's a big mistake. Don't do it. Here we say he can speak. He should study. Let's continue the rest of the item here. Here we have. We can here use we in this part we use the abbreviation. You can practice to how we use the abbreviation like this. He is writing the letter. When we make it negative, we make it like this. Isn't writing. Will cook lunch. Wouldn't cook. Here it will be hasn't studied. We can write has not as it is, or can write it as abbreviation like this. Here we say will waiting, and he will not waiting. Can swim, can't swim. Let's go to another one here. Here we talk about what? About the negative form. Here we say they write English. So we can use it in the present form to be they don't write or never write. Both are correct. Here we say this is the present form, and I will write it as it is in negative form. Doesn't write or never writes. This expressing negative. Wrote, it will be here didn't write. So when we use did or does in the in making negative question form, we must return the verb, or must return the verb to its item, okay, or the infinitive form must return the verb to the infinitive form. When we say here didn't write, don't say didn't wrote. Say didn't write, because when we use did, the verb must be returned to its item or its infinitive form. We say he never wrote. Let's go to another one here. Here we have don't plus the infinitive form, doesn't plus the infinitive form, and didn't plus the infinitive form. Here we say we have verb to be in the present, and is are, was, were. Here is been in the past participle form. Has, had in the past form and in the past participle. Do and does, did and done. Here is we say he is a doctor. So here this is the main verb. Is watching. Is watching here is helping verb. Have their lunch is the main verb. Have eaten is helping verb. So helping verb is the verb that I put it to help the main verb, like this. Don't say when we use the present continuous tense must have am is are plus verb plus ing. When we use the present perfect have and have, and we put the verb in the infinitive in the past participle form. And this and what we want from you in the past participle form to keep the irregular verbs. You must keep the irregular verbs preparatory, because some of you don't keep it. Okay, some of you don't keep it. If you don't keep it, you can't answer any sentence in English. So as we told you before, that irregular verbs in English is like the timetable in mathematics. You can answer any problem in mathematics without keeping keeping timetable. So in English the same. Irregular verbs is our timetable of us. Okay, you must keep it. Okay, let's go to another item here. It will be here. Here is the helping verb. Okay, according to the subject, like this. Here we say they have eaten. So when we put it in the negative form, we say haven't eaten. So here haven't in the negative form. Have their lunch. So here have here is the main verb. So I say don't have. Has got to be hasn't got. Here we have has. I replace has here when we make a negative. I put doesn't, and I put the verb in the, so the theme of have, it will be here have is the theme of the verb. So here we do this negative. Okay, I answer one of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here we have when we say she hasn't cooked. So here I put hasn't cooked. It will be she hasn't cooked. Okay, she hasn't cooked. Okay. I do two of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here we have has. Has here is the main verb. So I put what? I put here doesn't. It will be has or have. It will be have. Why? Because have here is the stem verb of has. Okay, I doesn't have. I return the verb to the stem. Okay, so now I answer two of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. It's easy to do it. Okay. Here we have an object pronouns. Mean when they say here is the subject pronoun and here is the object pronoun. I, me, he, him, she, her, it, we, us, you, they, them. I will repeat after me. I, me, he, him, she, her, it, we, us, you, they, them. Let's read this. Read this example and learn more about this item. I meet the tourists. You can say I meet the tourists, or can say meet what? Meet them. I helped. She helped them. So I meet the tourists. Okay, you can say I meet Them can say also I meet them or she helped them. So here we say here in this part we select the subject the subject and sorry, the object, and we know if it's pronoun or noun. When we say she cooked fish, fish here is an object. Is it is a pronoun or noun? No, it's noun. They visited the doctor. Doctor here, it will be what? It will be here noun. It will be noun, not a pronoun. They meet her. Here is an object pronoun. Here is an object pronoun. Okay. We go to another item here to how make a question. I give you a bit of this part, and next class I will explain in detail. Here we say when we make yes no question, when we make a yes no question, we make a replacement. Like we say here, I would like to say in the make a question form, we do it as season. I would like to explain in the separated paper. Okay, to know it more about it. I would like to take care with me. Here we say, when we say he is a boy, he is a boy. For example, he is a boy. This is the question. This is the question. What can I do with? Here I make what? I make a scissor or make a replacement. Here is. I replace is instead of what? Instead of subject. So it will be here. Is he a boy? I put the question mark and the bracket. I replace he. I replace. I put is in instead of the subject, and put the subject in the part. When we say he is playing football, for example, he is playing football, or he is playing football. I will make another kind of question with helping verb. He is playing football, or he is playing tennis, for example, tennis. So what can I do in the question form? Here I replace also the verb instead of subject, like this. Is he playing tennis? Or is he playing tennis? Is he playing tennis? Is he playing tennis? And I put what in the end of the sentence? I put question mark. We must take care when we make a question mark, put question mark. It will be if we forget the question mark in the exam, directly it's half mark, okay? Half mark. So we must put the question mark at the end of the sentence, okay? So here I replace is instead of subject, and here I put is here instead of subject, because here is the main verb, and is here is what is helping verb. Let's go to continue our lesson today. This kind of question called what? Called the called the yes no question. We have another kind of question which is WH question. We know it later next video. Okay. Here we say, will he buy a new car? So it will be yes, he will buy a new car, or no, he will not buy. Is this no, he won't. But he won't buy a new car. He won't. Here is the written like this is abbreviation. Another one. Have they watched TV? Yes, they have watched it, or no, they haven't watched it. Okay. Is she cooking? As we explained in the last slide. Okay. I tell you how to do it. Okay. I give you this sentence like this and make a replacement by replace the verb instead of subject like this. Is she cooking lunch? Yes, she's cooking lunch, or no, she isn't cooking. Was Ali reading the book? Yes, he was. Yes, he was, or no, he wasn't. Okay. Here is do and does. Do you write English? So here I give you a helping verb with do. So it will be yes, I can, but here we can say yes, I write, or can yes, you can answer by yes, I do. Can press I by yes, I do. Okay. Some of us answered by yes, he do. Here we say yes, he does. Okay, yes, he does. Okay. It will be here, yes, 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 they did. Okay. We can written like this, and we can written like this. It's another way, but the famous way is to be yes, I do, or yes, he does, or yes, they did. Okay. Let's continue the rest of this item. When we say Syed asking Ali, have you visited Aswan? You can say yes, I have. You can say it will be here. You can say yes, yes, I have. Yes, I have visited. Yes, I have. You can say yes, I have. When say no, I haven't. Okay. Can you speak English? Yes, I can. You can say Aida asking me asking one. Yes, I can. Okay. Yes, I can. Or can do it in the negative form, or we can say no, I can't. Okay. If we want to make it in negative form, we say no, I can't. Okay. I think now we know how to make yes, no question. Next class, I will explain how to make WH question. Here is by this part we know how to make. So next class, by this exercise, we know how to make yes, no question. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as the homework. I stop here in the making WH question. Next class, I will explain how to do it. I hope to benefit from me from this video and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot and keep meet again. Goodbye.